Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Don't tear gas us. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Don't tear gas us. Don't tear gas us. Do not tear gas us. You are right to protest. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Tear gas cannot stop us. Tear gas cannot stop us. Tear gas cannot stop us.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Still. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Let's go to beggar. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. So this is we are back again to Electronic Dealers Association Plaza at Jabi. The army came back and police this time around they are shooting live bullets. So they are shooting up. They are shooting live bullets. Civil defense that should be defending people civilly. They are also part of those attacking us. See them everywhere. Okay, are you one of them? Okay, so they're everywhere. They have come to disrupt a business compound that is growing normally. They came to force people to close. They came to force people to close. They came to force people to close. The police, the DSS, the army, they are here at Electronic Dealers Plaza, forcing the market to close down by force. See that everybody is going tear gas everywhere.
Tear gas or what?
Like, it's tear gas.
Tear gas.
Yes.
They throw tear gas?
Yes.
Why?
It's only in Nigeria that you will see where peaceful protesters are being shot by the government of Nigeria. As you can see in that video, Sowore and other protesters were protesting. All they were saying is free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They not destroy any property. No property where government go come talk say these protesters now they spoil this thing. They were protesting peacefully. All of a sudden, Nigeria army and police started shooting them tear gas. They never talk of tear gas where they shoot. They started shooting live ammunition, started shooting guns. Who na they shoot? When they shoot protesters, where they say they not hold anything other than placards where they talk say free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. See the other guy where tear gas don't make unconscious. He not free breathe again. They won't rush the guy go hospital. What did they call it do for Abuja now? If they see people wey gather, they will just shoot tear gas enter that place. What kind of country is this? Country where be say government not get respect for human life. Government not send anybody. Nigeria is practicing a dictatorship system of government, but many Nigerians don't know. This democracy is just sample. It's not working. Country wey value human life as they protest, so wetin police and army go dey do now to dey guide those people, make sure say they not destroy any property. That is how protest works. But in Nigeria, if they just see you carry placard, they talk freedom for this person, freedom for this person, they don't open fire. Few days to that protest, the IG of police wrote a letter to the Federal High Court in Abuja telling them not to allow this protest to hold. Who be the IG of police? A Yoruba man. A Yoruba IG of police writing to the Federal High Court not to allow the protest to hold. If police go feed the demand to stop peaceful protest, that is enough reason for you to know that the Nigeria police is a failed institution. Nigeria army go dey shoot protesters is proof that the Nigeria army is a failed institution. Nigeria army cannot give Nigerians security. Nigeria army cannot stop banditry and terrorism. Nigeria army go dey like this. Bandits go come, they go dey do peace deal with bandits. Country where the army and federal government they do peace deal with bandits, that is to show that the country, the institutions are all failed institutions. Nigeria police cannot protect Nigerians. All they do is to stand on the road collecting money from motorists. Communities for Kwara State have been deserted. Communities in the north have been deserted. Communities in the middle belt have been deserted. Go to the southwest. Killings of people by bandits and terrorists. Fulani herdsmen are killing people all over the country, both in the south and in the southeast. None of those Fulani herdsmen have been caught. None of them are facing trial. During those attacks, police and army never caught any of them. Even up till today, Nigeria police and army never catch any bandit leader or leader of terrorist organization. None of those bandit leaders and Fulani herdsmen people, they for detention, they face trial like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. See as police and army full Abuja, say people won't protest. People won't protest. They don't hold weapon or just placards, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Police and army full Abuja. Whereas the forests are empty, bandits are occupying everywhere. Nigeria army and police are not there. They are busy in Abuja looking for people to shoot. It's very bad. Nigeria government is very bad. Person not go fit protest for Nigeria again. Protest in Nigeria is now a suicide mission. Person go protest, you not go come back. Nigeria army and police won't protect Abuja, but they not fit protect other parts of the country. It's a shame. See this news for Channels Television. He said live bullets were fired at us. Kanu's brother and lawyer beaten and arrested. It's a shame. Nigeria government is a shame. The problem is say Nigeria government not get shame. They not get say how other country go see us. They not get that shame. They will just do wetin sweet them. The lawyer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his brother, all they did was protesting for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why are you people beating and arresting them? Say they do wetin, say they protest peacefully. The worst part of it is that so many animals are jubilating and celebrating that the Nigeria police and army have dispersed protesters. Then they happy say that they shoot them tear gas. Animals where it be say Fulani herdsmen, bandits and terrorists don't ransack their village. Their villages have been destroyed. Their mothers no longer go to the farm. Their villages have been deserted. Nobody did their village again. Herdsmen are killing people from their own tribe. Bandits and terrorists are killing people from the tribes of these people. Yet, they are all happy and jubilating that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. This is for our Igbo brothers to know that if you be Igbo person and you dey agitate for the sake of all Nigerians, you are committing suicide. Any Igbo person where they agitate for the sake of all Nigerians, that person is just trying to commit suicide. As an Igbo person, you are being hated for being Igbo. Igbo nation is the most hated tribe in Nigeria. The same way where they hate the Igbos in the southeast, now the same way where they hate the Igbos in the south. Those people who hate the Igbos in the southeast, they hate Okwane people, they hate Oshimiri people, they hate Anyocha people, they hate Ika people, they hate Ikwere people, they hate Oba people, they hate Ekpeye people, they hate Echie people, they hate Opobo people. As far as you are a Bia speaking person, the language of your community is Igbo language, no matter the dialects. They hate you the way they hate the Igbos in the southeast. The whole our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the southeast leaders, none of them are saying anything. Southeast governors, senators, and representatives, all of them are quiet. Your people, they protest for Abuja. They protest for the sake of your own brother. All of them keep quiet. If to say or not, they protest now, you go see some of their politicians go they speak on the behalf of those protesters, telling the government to stop shooting and killing people. But Southeast leaders, no be that one they talk. That one not concern them. Southeast don't have leaders. In 2022, appeal court discharges acquits Nnamdi Kanu. That news is from Daily Sun newspaper. For 2022, appeal court tell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say make it dey go house. There is no case there. But instead, the federal government of Nigeria held Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They no want to make the man go. For 5 years now, since they arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all the cases where they label against him, they accuse and say he do this one, he do this one. He win them for court. There is no evidence to show that he committed the crimes that the federal government is accusing him of. Why is the man still in detention? Few days before this protest, Arewa Youths for Peace were saying that the federal government should not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's a terrorist. He caused unrest in the southeast. 400 security officers lost their lives in the southeast because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Properties were destroyed. This, that. But when the federal government were negotiating with bandits and terrorists in northern Nigeria, Arewa Youth for Peace were nowhere to be found. They made no statements concerning that issue. They were all quiet. That organization called Arewa Youth is a Fulani agenda. They carry out Fulani agenda. They never spoke against the federal government for negotiating with bandits and terrorists that are destroying the north. They are only strong to speak when it comes to an Igbo man. When it comes to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it's very shameful. Nigeria is not working. Country where not they obey court order. That one a country. As Donald Trump did for US, he they obey court order. Other European countries, they obey court order. But Nigeria own, now court they obey the order of federal government. Just imagine, who be Arewa Youth for Peace? Who they be? Arewa Youth for Peace. When of you talk about the bandits where they their region, carry their mouth where they not they brush, come online, they talk nonsense. All the things where Arewa Youth talk, say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do for Southeast, they cause unrest for them. The federal government carry and go court, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu win them for court. Appeal court, free the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, tell us say make it they go. If to say all those things where una accuse them, say na fact e be. Why e be say una no fit judge am, send am go jail? But no evidence. It shows that you people are just accusing him. How you go hold person for 5 years? No evidence to lock the person up. Una court don judge case. See say no case there. They free the man, una still hold am. It's very bad. The reason why Nigeria no go fit move forward be say some people are supporting terrorism. The ones that are fighting against terrorism, now those ones are in the detention. It's so bad that so many Northerners still hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now when they not nine bandits and terrorists they kill, yet you people are not complaining that the federal government is negotiating with bandits and terrorists that are killing you people in the north. Oh. Their problem is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If to say Nigeria good, say the federal government of Nigeria they treat Nigerians right, Nnamdi Kanu will not be agitating for Igbo people to leave Nigeria and have a separate country. Nigeria not get lights. Fulani men, bandits and terrorists are killing people all over the country. If the people rise to defend themselves, Nigeria police and army go seize the people weapon. If they seize all those weapons finish, herdsmen, bandits and terrorists go strike again, kill those people. Country where this federal government they negotiate with bandits and terrorists. That is to tell you that all this Nigeria army and police where they die in the hand of all those bandits and terrorists, their life no matter to the federal government of Nigeria. Nigeria army are dying every day in the north. Yet, Nigeria government is still negotiating with bandits. All this army where they see so, no be say the economy they benefit them and their family. But instead, say that they obey order, they can't they do the wrong thing. Doing the wrong thing by shooting at protesters. Shooting tear gas at protesters. Doing the wrong thing by dispersing protesters is very bad. Nigeria army and police share on our wife and on our family now. This same Nigeria the day. I be on our own day abroad. Una they suffer for the same economy. Una still get mine. They shoot people where they protest for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom. So if to say Nigerians can't they protest against that negotiation where federal government they negotiate with northern bandits and terrorists, una go still come out they shoot Nigerians say that they protest against bandits and terrorists where they kill una will be army. It's very bad, Nigeria army. It's very bad. Even after the peace deal where Nigeria government don't do with those northern bandits and terrorists, the northern bandits and terrorists after the peace deal still they make video. They tell Nigeria government say if they shoot any boy, say they go carry out another attack. Nigeria government see all those videos. They kept quiet. Now only Igbo man they get power for. It's very shameful. If no be all this is when Nigeria government they do, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be agitating to have a separate country. It's so shameful that so many Nigerians are happy. Most especially Northerners and Southwesterners. So many of them are happy. They are not complaining that herdsmen and bandits are killing them. No be that one that they talk. Now make that Igbo man remain for detention. So many of them. Now politicians they pay them. They come online. They talk rubbish. Supporting evil. Because what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they fight for is against so many politicians in Nigeria. Nigeria is surviving through crude oil. Where that crude oil dey, Igbo land and other tribes for south. Now then I crude oil dey. That's why independent say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they agitate to leave this country, because if Igbo people come out for this country, this crude oil where they all this region go come out for the hand of Nigeria. Nigeria government know all these things. That's why even if bandits and terrorists kill everybody where they not, it not concern Nigeria government. Waiting they no be say no touch that crude oil where they from the chop. If you get any agenda we want temper with that crude oil, they will keep you in detention. Make sure say you not come out. Now waiting that they do Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so all those Nigerians where they happy say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey for detention because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not come from their tribes. Now why are they call them also animals in human form? They not fit get sense. An animal will always be an animal even if you get human form. If they switch you say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey detention, bandits and terrorists are killing your people. People are dying in their region. They not they complain. Make Nnamdi Kanu dey detention. If Yoruba people go fit talk say it's better for Yoruba people to be dying like flies than for Igbo man to be the president of Nigeria. He should say he don't make up in mind. Say even if Yoruba people won't die, if he made them die, but make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey detention. Make Igbo man not become the president of Nigeria. That is their motive. That is how they reason. It's so shameful. The problem of Nigeria is not the politicians, but the citizens. So many Nigerian citizens are so evil. They don't know whether they suffer. They don't know whether the country they upside down, because Tribal bigotry, programming have destroyed them. It's so shameful. Say person go protest peacefully when they shoot them gun, they shoot them tear gas, they beat them, they arrest them. It's so shameful. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not kill anybody. They not see him with AK-47. They not see him kill person. Yet he dey for detention. Why bandits and terrorists where they keep people for video? They post them. They go, they negotiate with Nigeria government. Army and police go there, they look, they not go fit do anything. Now those people supposed to that place where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they not be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu supposed to there. If Igbo people should remain in Nigeria, the federal government should treat everybody equally. They should treat everybody right. Marginalization of Igbo people should stop. That is the only way for Nigeria to move forward. As far as the Nigeria government, they treat Igbo people badly, they treat Nigerians anyhow. Nigeria can never move forward. Instead, as they break, Nigeria go they spoil. Southeast leaders, we are seeing what you people are doing. As all of us just keep quiet like say nothing they happen. Those Southeast leaders, where we say, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey detention, they sweet them. The evil that those Southeast leaders are doing, as all of them they plan, they make sure say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey detention. That evil that they are doing must surely befall them and their children. Ishewale.